To use weather insight widget to get more weather info in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra with Android 14. While you are in your home screen, long tap on an empty area to go to the home screen edit screen. Tap widget icon at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down the widget screen to find weather. Tap weather. Find weather insight. And then tap it to select it. As a note, this widget is available after updating your phone to Android 14. Now tap add button to add this widget to your home screen. You can see that the weather insight widget has been added to your home screen. Compared with the old weather widget, Weather Insight widget will provide you with more information about your local weather condition. With this widget, you can also see when severe thunderstorm, snow, rain, and other events are on the forecast. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.